I might look like a cartoon, but I'm all AI. You can make your own avatar in minutes. It's that easy.
You won't believe this. Even I was created by AI.
AI can now put you anywhere, even here, on a boat cruise. Let's see just how easy it is to make it happen.
This smile, this garden, all AI made. Stay with me, and I'll show you the secret behind it.
Even here in the bush, I'm just a talking avatar. Wait till you see how easy it is to create me.
The first tool we're going to use is Google AI. You can download it from your Play Store or use the web. I'm using the web because I'm using my laptop. So I'm going to search for AI studio.google.com. You can see the name here, AI studio.google.com. If you are using a phone, you can download the app. If you're not using a phone, or you can also use your Google browser to search for it on your website. So I'm going to go to this website. I have already used it before. You can see it on my screen here, so I'm not actually going to start all over again. But if you're using this thing for the first time, it's going to require you to sign up. So you're going to sign up at your own end. I will open this Google AI Studio. When you open Google AI Studio, okay, let me go back to home. This is the home screen. If you come into this place for the first time, this is the home screen. I'm going to go down and click on Try Nano Banana. When you click on Try Nano Banana, you're going to see different options. You're going to see Nano Banana, you're going to see Imaging 4, you're going to see Imaging 4 Ultra. I will choose Imaging 4, select Imaging 4. Click on Continue. Before you go ahead to generate your images, you're going to do some setups. Number one is that you're going to come here and change the number of results. That is, when you send your prompt, how many images do you want to get? Is it 1, 2, 10, or how many? I usually like to leave mine at 2 because the images are always or almost the same. I'm going to select 2. The aspect ratio. This aspect ratio, if you're using yours for YouTube long videos, it's advised to go for, it's best to go for 16.9. That is this third aspect ratio. If you're using it for normal social media posts like Facebook or YouTube Shorts or TikTok, you can go for 9.16. I want to use 16.9 for mine. Then the output, you can choose 2K, you can choose 1K, but I want to use 2K because if I choose 2K, it's going to be too big and it's going to occupy lots of space in my device. So I'll click on 1000. Down here is where I will input my prompt, the prompt of the image I want to generate. I already have my prompt. ChatGPT has already given me the prompt I want to generate. And if you want me to teach you how I create my prompt using ChatGPT, you can let me know and I will make a different video for it. But for now, I am going to go straight and copy the prompt I have generated and paste it in the AI Studio. Under here, I'm going to paste my prompt here. When you have input your prompt, you click on this run. It's just going to take only few seconds to generate your AI image. So as you can see here, it's counting. See, it's counting here. See our image. This is beautiful. I chose 2 images. I can choose to download the 2 of them. I can choose to download just one. If you want to download your image, click on this arrow button and you download your image to your device. It will be saved to your device. So I'm going to download the 2 images in case I will be using one later because the 2 images are cute. I don't even know the one to select. We're also going to generate the next image. I will go back to ChatGPT to copy my prompts. I'm going to paste my prompt here. I'll select Ctrl A to copy the previous prompt and I will select Ctrl V to paste the recent prompt. I'm going to still click on run. to generate my image. This is how to generate your images using Google AI Studio, and it is free. You can generate as many images as you want. It does not have limitation. These are our images. I'm going to select and save. You already know how to save images here. Then this is how you continue generating your images until you are done with the generation. Okay, let us generate one more image. I'm going back to my ChatGPT to copy my prompt. And remember that I said if you don't know how to use ChatGPT to get prompts for your images, just let me know at the comment section and I will create another video on how to do it. It is not difficult, it's very easy. I'm pasting my third prompt to get the third image that we're going to use. The next thing we're going to do is to turn these images into a talking avatar. You can see I have got another image. Okay, let us head over to the next tool we are going to use to change our image into a talking avatar, and the next tool we're going to use is called Grok. Grok. You go to your Google browser and search for Grok. If you're using your phone, you can also go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download Grok app. So I'm going to search for Grok, but because I already have Grok open in my laptop because I was there before now, I am not actually going to start all over again. But if you're a new user, you can simply search for Grok or download the app and sign up. This is my Grok where I have already opened it, so I'll click on this tab. And that says that these are people's videos that they have generated. And when you create videos, yours will also be here most times, especially video in 16 aspect ratio. Under here, you select an option, click here, select if you want a video or image. I want a video, so I'm clicking on video. Then here you click on this attach, you click on upload a file. We are going to be uploading the image that we used to create a video. Note this, Grok allows you to generate as many videos as you want for free. So I'm going to upload my image right now. I'll upload my image. You wait for the image to load. Automatically it is going to generate a video for you after it finish uploading, even when you do not ask it to go further to generate a video. So let's wait for a few seconds and see. It's already generating a video for us, and you can see it here as it's counting. One thing that you should avoid doing when you don't want to generate a video is to click on this. If I click on this place, it is going to start generating another video all over again. So whenever this thing is counting, don't click here. Allow it to read and generate the video for you. The video is ready. Instead of clicking here to watch your video, simply come here and click. If I click here, it will pause. If I click again, it will start playing, and you can see our video. This is beautiful. Okay, the next step now is to make the video to talk. Sorry, I forgot to show you something. When you are done creating your video, you click on this download icon and download your video. Note this, anywhere you see this kind of icon in any place, any app, any website, just know that this icon is for download. So you download your video or whatever thing you want to download. Now I want to make this icon, this animation, to talk. The next thing is to copy my prompt from ChatGPT. I have already created my prompt and what I want the animation to say. Like this video, please, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you. So let's move to the next session to make the animation to talk. I'm heading over to the Grok Studio. Another thing you should notice is that you can only use Grok to generate a video of, I think, 6 seconds. Yes, So when you want to generate a video that the animation is going to say things that are more than 6 seconds, you are going to use that image over and over again so that you can join each video together. Like now, I have already got to this particular first video. The next thing I'm going to do now is to make another one without uploading another image. Just come over to this place, make a video, come over here and type your prompt. You can see it here. You can type your prompt. So I'm going to paste my prompt, what I want it to say. As you can see in bracket, I wrote smiling, relaxed tone, slight hand wave. You can see. Then I'm going to first of all write dialogue here. Dialogue, very important, so that the AI will know that you actually want this image to speak. Then I will come here. This is the sentence I want this character to say. I want her to say, "You won't believe this. Even I was created by AI." So I'm going to write this. I'm going to write a female name. I'll write Sarah. Because if you don't write the female name, AI is likely going to give you a male voice. AI is not a human being. You have to give AI the command to obey, alright? Okay, I'm going to write Sarah says the following words using Nigerian accents. Yes, the following words, because Sarah is an African and Nigerian. I'm telling the AI how I want it to speak. Sarah says the following. I forgot to type following. My bad. I'm sorry for that mistake. Sarah says the following words using Nigerian accent. Sometimes when you don't add certain words, AI will make you just be hearing the voice without the mouth moving. So I'm going to tell you something that you can do to avoid such problem. You can say, Sarah says the following words with her mouth, so that the AI will know that she is using her mouth to say it using Nigerian accent. So I'm done typing what I want Sarah to say. I'm going to send. I will click here, this place, and it's generating. So let's wait for some seconds to see our video. Our
You
video
won't
is ready.
believe this, even I was created by AI. Let me show you how to bring your own avatar to life just like me. You won't believe this, even I was created by
You can
AI.
see
Let me show
that
you how
she
to.
said the following words I just gave the AI. You will come over here and download. If you want this same image to keep saying something, let me take for instance now, it has not finished saying what you want it to say. Just keep changing the dialogue prompt. Then I am done with this one. Let us go back and try one or two more. Still here, I'm going to click on attach, upload a file, then select this cartoon character. I'm going to head over to my ChatGPT to copy my prompt. That is what I want the cartoon to say and how I want the cartoon to behave. With ChatGPT, getting prompts, it's very easy. It is no longer hard to get a prompt. Okay, our image has been uploaded already and Grok is already generating our video. Let us watch what Grok will give me or give us, because this is now about us, not just about me. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you for the support. I love you. Our video is ready. Can you see that? I did not give Grok any command. Grok just gave me its own video. I'm still going to download this because I love this. Then it is now time for us to give Grok our own command. Like I did before, I'm going to paste my prompt here, write dialogue. Okay, let me pause this video. I'm going to click here to pause it. Write dialogue. You can see in brackets I said waves hand energetically height wide. You can see the first one. These things in bracket explains to Grok how you want the animated character to behave, the body language, the facial expressions, the body movement. Then I'm going to write the character, or let me just type the cartoon character says. Okay, I'm going to send my command to Grok right now to give us a video. I'm done typing my prompt. I'll click on this and it will start generating. Don't click on this twice so that you will not disturb the generation of the video. Just click once and wait for it. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Once it gets to 60 something percent, the video will soon be ready. Our video is ready.
You can make your own avatar in minutes. It's that easy. I might look like a cartoon, but I'm all AI.
This is beautiful. So I'm going to save this video here. I have saved my video, and this is how you keep generating your video until when you are done with your generation. You can also use the same image again. Instead of going back, just change the prompt and it will still give you another video. Like my video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more. Now I'm going to head over to edit the video. So when you are done creating your videos, you'll use CapCut or InShot or any video editing app to edit your video. If you want me to make a video on how I join the videos together, you let me know at the comment section. But for now, bye and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, okay?